Don't waste money on expensive fertilizers until you see this natural solution. I'm going to show you how to make a simple yet powerful fertilizer that peppers absolutely love. And at the same time, they'll be protected from pests and diseases. All you need are a few cheap or even completely free ingredients. And later I'll reveal a little secret on how to get them for free. The first ingredient is eggshells. When ground in a blender, they break down faster and become an excellent source of calcium, which is essential for healthy and firm pepper fruits. A lack of calcium often causes blossom end rot, and this natural preparation prevents it. Maybe it never occurred to you to go to a bakery or restaurant and ask for eggshells. They throw them away every day, but you can put them to good use. I get hundreds of shells each month this way and use them in my garden. Grind the shells, put them into a little water, and then add a spoon of wood ash. Wood ash is rich in potassium and calcium. It strengthens plants, improves fruit flavor, and helps them cope with heat more easily. It also reduces soil acidity and creates a natural barrier against slugs and fungal diseases. Best of all, you can get ash for free from pizzerias that use wood-fired ovens. To release the calcium and potassium from the shells and ash more quickly, add a spoon of vinegar and let the mixture sit for 24 hours. After that, pour in half a liter of hot water. The third ingredient is a banana peel, which often ends up in the trash, but is actually a real treasure for your garden. Cut it into small pieces and put it in water. This way, the nutrients are absorbed directly by the roots much faster than if you simply bury the peel in the soil. Banana peels are rich in potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, all of which give peppers strength and help them produce an abundant harvest. Leave everything for another 24 hours. Then strain, add half a liter of water, and water your peppers every 10 days. Each plant needs about 300 milliliters of this feed. Besides fertilizer, we'll also make a natural repellent against pests and diseases. In half a liter of water, add half a spoon of cinnamon. It works as a natural fungicide and insecticide, repelling ants, mosquitoes, and other small pests while also preventing fungal diseases. Then add half a spoon of neem powder, one of the strongest natural allies in the garden. Neem contains azadirachtin, a substance that disrupts insect growth and reproduction, driving them away without harming plants, bees, or other beneficial insects. Finally, add 1 spoon of natural soap, which helps the mixture stick to the plants longer. Leave it for a few hours. Strain it, pour into a sprayer, and spray your plants every 3 to 4 days. Check out our next video, waiting for you on the screen. Thank you and goodbye.